Hey, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Can someone tell me how to add butter to spaghetti, thin spaghetti, angel hair, when it's still warm after you just strained it? I've yet to figure this out, and I make a lot of noodles. I embarrassed myself many years ago at a young lady's house. I had just started dating. I was over at her apartment, and we're going to make a little dinner, watch a movie, I'm sure, have some wine, definitely. And I'm like, let me take over. I got this. I think I was like 25 at the time. And when it came to making pasta just like this, I go to add the butter, and I'm just like gorilla clobbering it with a fork, and was just destroying the noodles, kind of like I still do now. What is the best method of mixing butter into cooked pasta? Someone tell me. Thanks for watching.